One of the best things that I've heard Joe Dispenza talk about is the fact that you have to be more in love with your future than your past. This means you have to stop romanticizing your past. You need to stop repeating the same stories, stop judging yourself for what you did or what other people did to you, and basically just stop giving energy to your past. So, how can we do that? By creating a future that you want right now. And the only way that you can create your future is by coming back to the present moment. Because the future is not created in the past. And it's not even created in the future because it's not here yet. So the only way to create a new reality is to come back to right now. The only thing you have is this present moment. Right now, in this moment, you are aware. And from this awareness, you have the ability to create your future. If you've seen my videos before, you know that I'm doing Joe Dispenza's meditations every day, and I don't even know what day I'm on right now, but it's definitely been more than a month. And the way that he teaches creation is by priming your body with the feelings that you want to feel in the future. And to tap into that feeling, you have to come back to this present moment. You can have that vision for the future, but you need to feel that feeling now. And if you teach your body to feel those feelings every day, you will not even search for your manifestation. You will not look for evidence if it's working or not, because you're already feeling those feelings. You're just feeling good. You're enjoying life. You're already experiencing the joy, the love, the happiness, the abundance, the good health, whatever it is that you desire. And speaking of Joe Dispenza meditations, I have a new tapping bundle that you can get at the top of my page. It's called Magnetic Goddess, and there are tapping meditations and powerful visualizations in there to completely shift your energy. And I actually use the same music that Joe Dispenza uses in his meditations. I bought it off of his website. And if you've ever done his meditations, you know that he is so intentional with the music that he uses. So I combine that frequency music with tapping and powerful visualization techniques. Honestly, it's a complete steal. It's like $100 right now, and you also get like a bonus of 3 audio rampages that you can listen every single day to rewire your self-talk and your brain. So all of that linked at the top of my page or below if you're on YouTube. But thank you so much for watching. Ask me any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you next time. Follow for more.